Hi guys, my name is Kelvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be showing you how to add and customize buttons on your Wix website. So I'm currently in the Wix editor and I want to add a button to this part of my page. To add a button, press Add, go on Button, and you can see a bunch of preset button templates that you can choose from. Buttons are great as they change color when you hover over them, and it gives the user a more interactive feel when they use your website. So I'm just going to choose a button like this. I'm going to drag it in, resize it, and if you click on it and press the design button, the little paintbrush, and if you press customize design, you can change the button's text and design properties. So I'm going to change the basic color property of the button to a purple, or maybe not. Let's change it to a green. You have the option to set a border. You have the option to reduce the corner radius, so I'm going to change it to 20. You can enable a shadow, which basically gives your button some 3D depth, and you can change the text properties. I'm going to change the text color to black and the font size of the text. Next, I'm going to change the hover properties of the button. I'm going to go on the hover tab, and I'm going to change the color when the user hovers over the button to a light blue. You can also add a border to only appear when the user hovers over the button. I'm going to change that to dark blue, and the text color will change to a dark blue as well. So now if we preview the page and we hover over the button, it will switch to the colors we chose in the button settings. So if we go back to editor, now you also want to add a hyperlink which will lead the user to the destination you set when they click on it. I'm just going to choose a web address, and it will open up this web page in a new window. So select new window, press done. I'm going to set preview, and now when the user clicks on it, it will take them to the page you set in the hyperlink settings. It's going to go back to editor. If we go on add, I'm just going to run you through a few other options of button designs. You also have a few icon buttons that you can choose from, and their color functionality is basically preset with Wix depending on the button you choose. So let's just drag a few in. So we have a toast, we've got a telephone, we've got an old-fashioned camera, and we've got a very happy microphone. So now with the button icons we've just dragged in, Wix does have a few preset animations for them. So if you hover over this one, the braid bounces, the phone call basically changes color. This old-fashioned camera makes as though it's taking a picture, and I don't know what this is doing, but yeah. How this works is when the user hovers over it, it changes from one image to another to make as though there's a small little animation going on. So what you can actually do is design your own button with your own pictures. So what I've done over here, I've just copy and pasted the bread button icon. I'm going to double click on it, and under the regular tab, I'm going to say change image. I'm going to choose a firework for the first one, and then I'm going to go on the hover tab, change the image again, and I'm going to select this one that I've uploaded. Then on the clicked tab, so this is when the user has clicked on the button icon, I'm going to change the image again to the same one as the hover. So now when we preview the page and hover over the image, it will make as though there's a firework going off. So we go back to editor. If you use your imagination, you can have a lot of fun with these. It will make your website unique and interesting. So this concludes designing buttons in Wix. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the description below. It will basically tell Wix that you joined through me. It will help a lot. And if you are interested in learning more about Wix, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.